Okay, we're here at the Global Electronics booth, and as you can see, controls for you guys who want to do custom works or your vans or your hot rods, for you guys who have old cars and you're changing them over to a completely new system. This would be a product.
All right, so we have here first our TFT controller line. We have 3 different control panels with the TFT color display here. We have the Slim controller line, Basic and Neo Plus. And here we also have the Neo line, which comes in 3 options. Neo 1 with just 1 knob, Neo 2 with 2 knobs, and then the Neo 3 here finally with 3 knobs. So ventilation, speed, temperature control, and also flap position. And then later here, these are our new releases. These are TFT touchscreen open frame controllers. And then finally here we have our keypad control lines for HVAC and cabin control applications as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And if you guys want to get contacted, go to their website on one of your cards.
Yep.
So here's the contact information, so you guys don't have to ask me and I don't have to send it to you. Just made that mistake last year about not recording that. There you guys go.
So what's happening with that building now? Is that area recovering?
What is this system here for?
This is for telematics system. It's a demo application.
Is this for like remote turning on your AC to start it up from in your home or in your business?
Yes, exactly. So just an example here, I can change the set point here from 76.
Like your home thermostat?
Yeah, down to 73. And then it's going to update here on the controller.
Is this cellular? Is that what it's going off, or Wi-Fi?
No, cellular. 4G,
Cellular.
5G.
Okay.
Yeah. We have the SIM card here on the module here, connected to the cloud, and then exchange information between controller and a web server.
All right. And there you go. That's definitely getting the bells and whistles.